Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Simple Dialogues. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. We're so happy you're here. Today's episode is short and friendly, perfect for A1 learners.
We'll talk about how to speak clearly in English using simple dialogues. Keep your sentences short and speak slowly.
Tip 1. Pronounce each word clearly. Tip 2. Use short pauses between phrases. Tip 3. Repeat new words twice.
Let's try a short dialogue you can practice. I'll speak first. Hello, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Hi, Emma. My name is Ryan. Nice to meet you. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Simple, clear, and easy to repeat. Practice this dialogue slowly and then faster when you feel ready.
Record yourself. Listen and try to copy the rhythm and pauses. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes progress.
That's right. Keep practicing these short dialogues every day for better clarity and confidence.
Thanks for listening. We hope this helps you speak more clearly. See you next time on Learn English with Simple Dialogues.
Goodbye. Practice, have fun, and keep speaking